Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the exit now. First, ensure the phone has at least 20% battery and stays plugged in. Once done, identify whether you're in stock recovery or color OS recovery because menu labels differ. Make sure the USB cable and PC are ready in case ADB is required. You may be able to use hardware keys alone. Press the power key to view the recovery menu and avoid long presses that force reboot loops. Proceed to the menu selection step next. Now choose the correct exit method. Use the volume up and down keys to navigate to Reboot System Now and press power to confirm because this is the simplest route. If the menu is unresponsive, select Wipe Cache Partition. That clears temporary faults without erasing user data, then reboot. If the device remains stuck, connect to your PC and run a DB reboot from a terminal. This forces a clean restart and bypasses on-device button issues. Next, verify boot completes successfully. Finish by letting the phone complete its initial boot. Be patient because first-time boots often take several minutes. If you encounter a boot loop, try booting into safe mode or rerun wipe cache. Only use factory reset if nothing else works because it erases data. If ADB wasn't recognized earlier, reinstall platform drivers, enable USB debugging and developer options, and swap cables or ports. If problems persist, power off and repeat recovery steps, then seek service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.